Good day, class. My name is Krisha Ann A. Tampos, and today we will going to talk about worldwide food production. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's start. I will read first our objectives. Tell what worldwide food production means in their own words. Name different sources of food that people around the world eat. And give simple ways to help take care of our food supply for the future. Okay, when we talk about worldwide food production, it refers to the total food grown, raised, and produced in different countries to feed the global population. It includes farming crops, raising animals, fishing, and processing raw materials into food products. Its goal is to provide enough food for nearly 8 billion people living on Earth. Okay, so now let's move on to major sources of food. So there are four main sources of food in the world. First, we have crops. Crops are plants like rice, wheat, corn, fruits, and vegetables. Second, we have livestock. Includes animals such as cows, pigs, chicken, and goats that provide meat, milk, and eggs. Third one, we have fisheries and aquaculture. Provide fish and seafood from oceans, rivers, and fish farms. And lastly, we have processed food. It's made by turning raw ingredients into food products such as bread, canned goods, and dairy products. And now let's move on to top food producing countries. So different countries lead in producing certain types of food. First, we have China. So China produces the most rice, vegetables, pork, and seafood. Next, we have India. Is well known for rice, wheat, milk, and spices. The third one, we have the United States or the USA. Produces corn, soybeans, and large amount of meat. And lastly, we have Brazil. Is a major producer of soybeans, beef, and poultry. So these countries help supply food not only for their citizens but also for people in other nations through global trade. So here is the importance of worldwide food production. So worldwide food production is important because it provides food for the growing population, helps prevent hunger, and supports the global economy. It creates millions of jobs for farmers, fishermen, and food workers. It also encourages trade between countries and ensures that people have access to a variety of food. Challenges in food production. So, food production faces several global challenges. Climate change causes droughts, floods, and extreme weather that destroy crops. Many areas also suffer from water shortages, making farming difficult. Soil degradation and loss of farmland reduce the ability to grow food. Another major issue is food waste, where one third of produced food ends up thrown away instead of being eaten. So here is the solution and future trends. So to solve food production issues, countries promote sustainable farming, which protects the environment. Technology such as drone, robots, and AI helps farmer produce more food efficiently. Hydroponics and vertical farming grow plants and using less land and water. Climate smart agriculture helps farmers adapt to changing weather. There is also a rise in plant-based and alternative protein foods for healthier and eco-friendly diets. So, in conclusion, worldwide food production plays a vital role in feeding people and supporting life on Earth. However, it faces serious challenges that must be addressed to ensure future food security. By using modern technology and sustainable practices, countries can continue preparing enough nutritious food for present and future generations. Okay, now do you have some question? If not, I will the one who will give you a question. In your own words, what is worldwide food production? Okay, I will call Miss Planios. Okay, in your own words, Miss Planios, what is worldwide food production?
Worldwide food production refers to the total amount of food grown, raised, or produced across all countries to feed the global population.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, next, Miss Abandula. In your own words, what is worldwide food production?
It is the global process of producing food through farming, fishing, and livestock to supply people around the world.
Okay, thank you very much. So I think you understand well what is worldwide production. So that will be for my report today, and thank you very much for listening.